So my name is Matthew Clare, and I am the Chrome OS product lead for Chrome as a contact center solution. So Google, I'm sure as many of you know, is a fairly household name in the tech industry through things like Google Search, Google Ads, and some of the great functionality we have from artificial intelligence all the way to things like the Pixel phone series. But I'm here representing the Chrome OS business specifically and Chrome Enterprise, which is a solution area that represents Chrome as an operating system, Chrome browser, as well as Chrome-enabled devices that our customers are ultimately using to cloud power their workforce and accelerate their digital transformation. Now, many of you are probably asking questions like, why would an operating system be attending Enterprise Connect? And the reason for that is we see a real natural adoption for Chrome as a computing platform and our Chrome devices in the enterprise segment, specifically for frontline user workflows, as well as contact center use cases, where our customers are using a lot of the functionality built into the platform to keep their customer data more secure than ever, keep their business data secure, using cloud-first data protection, ultimately keeping customers protected from things like malware and phishing. It also enables our customers to deploy fast and at scale, which can be particularly useful in high turnover contact center type environments. And our customers actually have the ability to deploy with what we call zero touch enrollment. So an IT admin or a contact center operations lead never actually has to put their physical hands on a device in order to get that device in the hands of an agent and get them working optimally. And last, a lot of great user productivity features built into the platform, and where we're starting to differentiate on the platform, where using Chrome as a computing platform, agents are more productive than ever before. They're more satisfied as users. Their time to resolve interactions, etc., is all improved. All of this ultimately means better customer experiences to the customers we serve. So in addition to showing Chrome OS as a computing platform for IT, we're really double clicking on showing Chrome OS for contact center experiences, both for agents on the agent desktop. So looking specifically at a lot of the productivity tools and features of the platform, including the recently announced Chrome OS Desk Connector, which really is designed to solve the challenge of Windows management that agents face. A lot of industry data shows that on average, agents are handling 3 to 5 apps and tabs for any customer interaction. And this really gets complicated as agents have been more empowered to handle concurrent interactions. So you can imagine if I have 3 to 5 windows open for a chat, but I'm handling 3 chats simultaneously, suddenly I have 15 apps and tabs open on my desktop. So the Chrome OS Desk Connector is really designed to integrate tightly with the contact center provider applications that are part of our Chrome Enterprise recommended ecosystem to programmatically launch and close desks as interactions arrive, ultimately keeping the apps and tools that agents are using isolated to a single Chrome OS desk, and enabling agents to get back to their optimal starting point with a single click. So again, really driving that agent productivity. We'll also be showcasing supervisor functionality on Chrome OS. So a lot of great insights and intelligence built into our platform and into our telemetry API stack. Again, with partners integrating into that data, so you can get really clever and make sure, in today's remote and hybrid work environments, send a quick API call, make sure that an agent has a strong enough Wi-Fi or network connectivity signal before you're actually sending an agent a call, and really driving better customer satisfaction as a result and ensuring really high quality experiences. Finally, we'll also be showing a lot of the IT functionality and the benefits of the platform for IT administrators and contact center administrators. So everything from how you can, without ever touching a device, enroll users, set up their computing desktop and their profile with all the apps and devices and extensions they need to do their jobs effectively, all the way down to things like data loss prevention tools. So, if you want to restrict the ability to take screenshots or copy paste data from one app and tab to another, being able to lock that down in a really, unique and configurable way that each business can really tailor to their specific business needs. Finally, we'll also be showing a little bit of the Google ecosystem in terms of tools that drive user productivity and communications. So we will also be demonstrating things like Google's Workspace, so our full range of productivity tools. We'll also be showing on the booth Google's Contact Center AI platform, as well as all of our contact center third-party partners that are part of the Chrome Enterprise Recommended program. I think like a lot of the providers in the communications and contact center space, the Chrome OS team has really seen a rapid shift to remote and hybrid working over the last few years, where our customers are really recognizing that their agents have embraced it. In many cases, agents and employees in general are more productive working from home and remotely. This does pose several unique challenges for the industry. How do you ensure user productivity when they're working remotely? In the contact center environment, for example, you don't have contact center supervisors being able to walk the floor. So having tools to really monitor that agent experience, monitor that customer experience in remote and hybrid environments is more important than ever. We also, over the last few years, have seen a pretty rapid increase in terms of cybersecurity attacks for remote and hybrid users. And again, this is where we see Chrome OS as having a great fit in remote and hybrid environments. There's never been an instance of ransomware on Chrome OS as a computing platform before. So having security tools at your fingertips, building by security or building for security by design at the core, really making sure that you're not putting your customer data, your business data at risk in these environments. I think another big trend that we've been monitoring that really hasn't gone away in the last couple of decades is user productivity, not just in remote and hybrid environments, but even in the office. This is something that Contact Center is continually trying to solve for. So, reducing that cognitive load on the agent desktop, simplifying the experience, reducing the number of clicks it takes for them to solve an interaction is more important than ever before. And this is where our colleagues on the Google Cloud side with tools like Contact Center AI have also really been able to kind of leverage AI as a human assist tool to help improve time to resolution on a lot of customer interactions. And then lastly, I think digital transformation. I've been attending Enterprise Connect for a long time. I often joke that I grew up at this conference, and digital transformation has definitely been a buzzword for a long time. But I think the reality is a lot of communications and contact center providers embrace digital transformation early. The solutions have by and large moved to the cloud. You see a lot of customers in the space migrating to cloud-based solutions over the last few years. But I think it's really important for a lot of organizations in the enterprise to recognize that moving to cloud and completing that digital transformation isn't just about the software you're using. It can also be about the hardware and devices and computing platforms you're using as well. And this is where we see Google Chrome OS really helping customers complete that digital transformation end to end through some of our devices, the operating system, the browser, and our very robust ecosystem of Chrome Enterprise Recommended solutions, all coming together to complete that cloud transformation. With that all said, we see the future of cloud workforce being here today. And so we'd love for you to come visit us at Enterprise Connect. We're at booth 2207, and we hope to see you soon so you can learn more.